Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week, brought to you by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik, and I'm the Project Manager and Marketing Director. Every week, we bring you tips about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and more. This week, we're going to teach you how to deal with meals during a kitchen renovation. One of the biggest challenges our kitchen renovation clients face is how they are going to deal with meals without a kitchen. It can be very expensive to eat out at restaurants all the time. It can also be quite a challenge to figure out what to feed the family, washing up the dishes, and even how to cook or where to prepare. I'm going to offer a couple of solutions to those problems to ensure you feed your family some great meals. One of the easiest things to do to plan for your kitchen renovation is to plan ahead with some already prepared meals and a prepared menu. I recommend planning meals for 4 weeks. Although you won't likely need this much time, it's better to be prepared with more than required. No matter what time of the year it is, you can always plan to do some of your meals on the barbecue. Hot dogs, hamburgers, steak, chicken, or kebabs make quick and easy meals on the barbecue. You can even wrap some potatoes in aluminum foil and pop those on the grill. And have you ever had cut-up veggies drizzled with olive oil and your favorite spices, all wrapped up in foil and done on the grill? They're fabulous. Your barbecue can be your best friend during a kitchen renovation. Your slow cooker and Instant Pot can also prove helpful during a kitchen reno. Just prepare the food to go in, dump it in, and set to cook. What could be easier? And if you're using a crock pot, you can prep the meal at the beginning of the day, and it will be ready for you when you get home from work. Want more ideas on how to prep meals during a kitchen reno? Check out my blog post. Just go to bit.ly/meal prep kitchen reno. Thanks for joining us this week for our Love Your Home renovation tip of the week. Come back every week where you'll learn great tips to have a successful renovation. See you next time.